In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your oil pressure switch on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the side of the engine. We're going to disconnect our connector by pushing it on this tab and pulling. Once that's off, you're going to use a 27mm socket, or you can use a wrench if you can get one in there. And we're going to loosen this out. Once you get it started, you're going to want to get that out. Get your ratchet out of there, and then you can take it out the rest of the way by hand. Take my socket off. Take that out, put some thread sealant on there. I'm going to wipe away any excess oil that may be there. And we're going to screw it in. I'm going to use my socket, thread it in the rest of the way. This one is a 24mm. Once you get it hand tight, you can snug it up. I'm going to torque this to 11 foot-pounds. Now you can put your connector on, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.